Hello, my door closer collector friends. It is I, the big guy, the LCN Man 121. And sorry I haven't posted anything lately, but I thought I would make a video of all of my door closers that are in my collection. I only have two piston screen door closers. So the older one and the touch and hold, but I'm not gonna make a video until I have more of them. So we're just gonna make a video of the hydraulic closers. So let's get started. First up we have is that's too big to small. Here's this LCN 4041 or 4042, I think. This is the one I got out of the school of my high school. Yes, it does work. See, you can kind of see it. So here's this first LCN. Next up, we have another LCN. This one does also work. I was messing with it earlier off camera, so that's why the speeds are a little fast. So here's this one. Next up we have in my collection is a UL fire rated door closer. I know that sounds like a weird name. I do not know the actual name. Well, I kind of do, kind of don't. So if any of your door closer collector friends would like to tell me what this actual name is, please let me know. But right now, I'm just going to call this the UL fire rated door closer. This one does work. See? Next up we have is another UL fire rated door closer. This one and the one I just showed you, these do need new arms because it connects to another thing with this arm and I don't really feel like using it, so here's that. So that's number one. This is his twin without the arm. Next up we have is, and yes, before you guys comment in the comment section, do you have all the arms for it? Yes, I do. So don't worry. Next up we have is this Norton door closer that I got out of my local college. And then now we're going to the newer closers. Yes, I collect newer closers. I collect older closers, newer closers. Any closers are from different years I collect. We have this Universal Hardware, and this one works too. This one was on my testing rig, but I took it down. See, this one does work. And last but not least, a Ryobi Doorman door closer, I think. Yep, Ryobi Doorman door closer. This is like the Universal Hardware version because it has the older style thing to you know. I guess this was the name before they switched to the universal hardware, such as this one right here. So I don't know what was going on, but yes, this one does work. Alright, well, that is it. That is all of my door closers in my door closer collection. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you next time. Alright, goodbye, everyone.